Okay, we're going to simplify the terms. So if you look here, I've got, remember multiplying is still just one term. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. We have 4 terms and we're going to reduce that down or simplify it into less terms. So our job is really to get the least amount of terms as possible. And we do that by combining things that are alike each other. So the first step that I like to do when I solve problems like this is always to multiply the terms first. As you can see, I have to multiply here because these parentheses mean to multiply, and then I also have to multiply here. So I'm going to first start by multiplying those terms. So I'm going to do 2 times 3 because we always do our numbers first. You're kind of thinking about 2 times 3, and that's 6. And then we times that by that x. So it would be 6x. Okay? So this has kind of been multiplied, so that's gone. Now we're going to do the same. We're going to multiply here. Again, I'm going to multiply my numbers. So I've got 5 and 4. So I'm going to do 5 times 4, which is 20. Again, I'll write that for you. It's 20. Then we're going to multiply by x. So that would be 20x. Now that's gone. Okay? I'm going to bring the rest down. So I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. I haven't simplified the terms yet at all. All I've done is multiplied the terms. Now what I'm going to do is combine the like terms. So as you can see, this has an x, this has an x, this has no x, it's just a number, no x, just a number. So the things that are similar or alike is this one and this one because they both have an x. So I can add those together, and 6 plus 20 is 26x. Now, these are gone. Next, I can add my numbers because numbers go together. So I'm going to do 4 plus 1, which is 5. Okay, now these are gone. So now I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, and I've now simplify them or reduce them down to just 2 terms. Now, I can't do anything else with this, so this is my final answer because now what they're called are unlike terms. And when you get to the point where they're unlike terms, which means that this has an x, this does not have an x, you can't put them together, you can't combine them. So this is your final answer, and there's nothing else that you can do.